really close. Okay, so today I'm taking you guys along with me for a portfolio shoot that I'm doing. I'm updating my portfolio as a model, and that is because, well, you have to. I really want to get a nice beauty shot, and this is how I arrived. So I just have loose fitting clothes on. My hair is just dry, but like not like curly, natural, and I have no makeup on, so they will do all of that for me. And yeah, that's kind of it. So let's go because I am late. It took me so long to find a freaking park, and whew. Like I keep preaching, using my weekends to build my future, not escape my present. So let's update these modeling shots, and I'm going to take you guys with me. It's a beautiful studio, so let's go. If you are interested in or looking to get into modeling, these are the type of shots that generally you would want to start off with. Firstly, minimal makeup, keeping it super natural. Another thing to keep in mind is accentuate the things that make you unique. So here we are adding even more freckles than I naturally have. This strategy is so cool, the way that she does it. She is so talented, and her husband is the photographer, Alex. Dream team, so happy to work with them. And yeah, we're making me even more freckly than usual, because remember that your uniqueness, the things that make you stand out, are going to be the things that get you booked. Generally, when I was little, I used to hate my freckles. I used to cover them up with makeup. I used to hate the gap in my teeth. I used to hate my curly hair, and those are all the things that people book me for now. Remember, your uniqueness, the things that make you you, are the things that are going to make you stand out. When it comes to shooting, I just like to try and move every few seconds, get a different shot. Whenever I hear that little click, I just do a little slight movement, and by just moving one little thing, it means that you're not completely changing the shot. Also, that way when you capture the right moment, the photographer can quickly be like, oh, that's good. Let's work within that little place. That is kind of where I start, and also keep it super basic. I'm wearing white, I'm wearing black, I'm wearing my jeans. I am not extravagant in makeup, in looks. This is all about people seeing you. So these are our shots that we got from the day. I absolutely love them. They're super fresh, beautiful, clean, and I really just want to show what I have as a base from a beauty perspective, and that was what we were working with today. I'm going to take you guys on these little mini blogs with me again. I'm just going to let you in on my life, and you can see what I do. If you like this style of content, comment below, let me know. And if you have any questions about modeling, about content creation, about starting your own business, about having multiple streams of income, let me know and I will try and answer them.